Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be drawing
a rainbow cloud.
a rainbow cloud. It'll be amazing. Alright, so we're going to get our paper, markers, and everything ready to go. Alrighty, so here we go. So for our rainbow cloud, we're going to use our markers, Sharpie marker, but this time what we're going to do is we're going to turn the paper this way. Okay? Now, what we want to do is, you ready? On this side, right here, okay, right here, we're going to draw a little puff. Boop. And then we're going to draw another puff. Boop. And then another puff. And then we're going to draw on the other side another puff. And then another puff. And then we're just going to keep drawing puffs until we get to the other side like that. And then on the other side now, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do one puff and another puff, another puff, another one, and another one, and just go all the way. Now, once we got it like that, we're going to do little tiny puffs inside like this. Boop. 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 There you go. Now, we want to draw a smile. See? A little smile. Look, there you go. And then the eyes. See that? All right. Now, once you draw your eyes, and then another smile. And then right here, we're going to draw a little cheeky puff. Because he's smiling so much, it's a little cheeky puff. There you go. That's a beautiful cloud. Now, are you ready? So from this cloud here, on the edge right here, it's got to be on the edge. We're going to draw an arch. Boom. There you go. And then give it a little space, and we're going to draw another one. Boom. All right, so now we're going to go from here. Oh, and just follow the line. Okay, make it as close as possible, because we're going to have to do a lot of colors. And then that's going to be 3 colors right there. All right, now we have 4 colors right there. And then now we have 5 colors right there. 6 colors right there. And then now we have 7 colors. Whoa, there you go.
Wow.
All right, so the first color, what's going to be the first color?
Red.
You want to do red?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do red. Let's do it at the bottom, right? Where's the bottom? At the bottom? You're going to use the, okay, hold on, let me switch. I'll use the Five Below markers too then. All right, you ready?
I'm going to do it at the top.
All right, I was going to do the bottom. I'll go opposite from you. Just like that. And this is why these markers with the big shape like this is really good. Because then you could just color in. You take your time and you can just color right in. Just like that. You see that, everybody? Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay, very nice. Ta-da! What's next? What's the next color?
Orange.
Orange? Okay. I need an orange. Here we go. I'm doing orange next. Okay. Whoa. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Wait, you have to.
Alright.
You have to wait for me to get to it then.
Alright. Take your time. Take your time. We're not racing. Make sure it looks good. What's the next color?
The next color is yellow.
Yellow?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Do we have a yellow? Let me see. Where is my yellow? Uh-oh. I think that's a yellow. I like this yellow, okay? I'm going to use this one from the Crayola. I think this yellow from the Crayola. Oh, no, wait. Let me see. Do I like it? Is this a good yellow? What do you think? You like this yellow?
I'm going to use one. I'm going to use one of this from my tablet.
Okay, I'm going to use maybe BK7. Let's use BK7. See what it looks like. It's more like an orangey color. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this one because it's, yeah, I guess that's more of a yellow. It's kind of an orangey color though. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back with my regular Crayola over that BK7. That way it has more of a yellow look. You see that? You can combine it. Yep. All right, what's the next color, Gummy?
Green.
Green?
Yep.
Holy
I'm
moly.
gonna use 46.
46. Okay, I'll use 46 too then. 46. Whoa, look at that. Okay, very nice. All right, now what's next?
Blue.
Blue?
Yep.
Do we have blue?
I'm
Yes,
gonna
we do.
use 67.
67. Okay, 67 it is. I like 67. 67 is a nice color. There you go. All right, what's the next color?
Purple.
Purple. Holy moly, do we have purple? Yes, we do. Well, that's number 145. All right, ready? All right. Ta-da! All right, what's the last color?
Pink.
Pink. Oh, wow. Which number are you using?
89.
89. All right, I will use 89 too.
I'm done.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It's great. All right, now, because they're in the sky and it's magical and it's beautiful. Oh, wait, you know what we need to do? We need to do a little bit of gray on the cloud. Just a little bit, like a really nice gray. You got one of these grays? Let's see, one of these markers. I'll let you use mine, okay? Look, because this is a very light gray, you see? It just gives it a little shade, and it's not a lot. You see that? Just like that. Whoa, you could probably use a Crayola to do this, no problem. There you go. You see that? Now, we're gonna take, let's say, number 49, or we could take this yellow from Crayola, okay? And look, this is what we're gonna do next. Are you ready? Because they're in the sky, and they're so far up, we're gonna make little stars like this. You ready? This is how you make stars. Ready? Okay, here we go. You ready? You're gonna do one line, another line, another line, another line, and then you crisscross it. And then you got a star. Yay, look. Just like that. One, down, down, down. And then you can make them as long as you want, because that way it looks like they're shimmering and they're glowing in different locations. Look at that. And you don't need to count them. You just make stars, because stars are going to be beautiful. What do you think? Does it look good? Whoa, look at that. Okay. Awesome. All right. What do you think?
It looks pretty cool. It's just like a rainbow.
Yep. What do you think? It's awesome. Whoa! Look at that. It's great. What did you? Oh, you're missing the red there. I didn't do a red there. Wait a minute. Now you're gonna make me want to do. I'm gonna put a little tongue on mine like this. See that? And this one too. Okay. So now I gotta come back with the marker and outline my tongue. Look at that. There you go. Yay! All right, everyone. So here we are, our rainbow clouds. All right. So make sure to check out the video. And if we were going too fast, remember, you could always go back a little bit, right? Right. All right. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like,
And notification bell.
and thanks for watching. Y'all be good.